Hi everyone, I'm Muskan and today I'm going to talk about an often overlooked issue that is hormonal imbalance. In Ayurveda, the concept of hormone differs. An imbalance in the Vata dosha can lead to hormonal imbalance, resulting in disorders such as mood disorders, weight fluctuations, and so much more. Well, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and regular exercise, including yoga, is essential. Some herbs which are helpful are Gokshur is traditionally known for supporting reproductive health and also relieving water retention. Shatavari also supports reproductive health, helping to stabilize mood swings and promote a healthy menstrual cycle. And of course, there is Ashwagandha, which is your best friend, especially during major life transitions like puberty, pregnancy, and menopause. Dealing with hormonal issues can be challenging, but with Ayurveda, natural tools are available to help restore balance.